What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing of a new red dot that I'm going to try out. So stick with me and we're going to see what this is all about.
Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Here's the red dot. This it comes with this mount here. Pretty cool looking mount. It's the red dot. So that's what it look like. Just putting this battery in. So you're supposed to be able to adjust it by these two buttons here. I must got the battery in backwards. You know, dudes don't like to read instructions. We just like to start freehanding it. So let me see if I got this thing on backwards. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all can see that. Adjust the brightness. So, seeing like a pretty cool optic. I like the way this mount look. So, yeah, this is my new red dot. I'm gonna try it out, and I'll let y'all know. So, guys, once you hold down one of these arrows, that's how you change it from red to green. So, these up and down arrows control the brightness. Hopefully y'all can see that. And I think to turn it off, I think you just hold the button down. Like hold up, down. Yeah, there it is. And it just turns off. So I'd rather it be the shake weight kind of optic, but this going on a gun that I ain't gonna really need it. So yeah, you got your windage and your height knobs. So you know, typical red dot. But yeah, this the new Strikefire. Well, it ain't new, but it's new to me. But Strikefire II. So I'll keep y'all posted. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. This is the Vortex Strikefire II red dot. I just got this for a new gun that I just got. I just wanted something cheap and something different than what I already had. So I've never used a Vortex red dot or any type of scope or anything, but I think I heard pretty good things about them. If any of y'all got any experience with them, drop it in the comments below and let me know what y'all think about it. Did I get a pretty good red dot, or is it? Just let me know. I caught it on the sale. It was I think it was a President's Day sale. So I'm gonna test it out on a new gun that I got coming, and I'll keep y'all posted. So let me know what y'all thought, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.